So if you've never seen Grand Central Station, it is one of my favorite places in New York City. I just love it here. And this ceiling used to be black from, you know, cigarette and cigar smoke. However, a lot of it was the trains. And so they knew everything was under here. However, they left one brick. Let's see if I can get it. There's one brick up there that actually is still black, and they left it there on purpose on how black this ceiling was. When did they do that, Chris?
Watch the gap getting
on the black brick.
About 15 years ago.
15 years ago. And how old is Grand Central Station?
115 years or so.
115 years.
100th anniversary, I think.
It's just
like
it's just amazing piece of architecture.
So we got to get the 545 to Poughkeepsie.
Yeah,
all right?
the 545 to Poughkeepsie.
Yeah, the 545 to Poughkeepsie. Come on.
I'm in there. Let's get a coffee while we're at it.
Coffee.
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 Coffee. We'll talk about coffee. We'll talk about dogs. Whatever pops up.